Hi guys, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. This morning I'll be giving you brown stew chicken, but before I show you my chicken that has been marinated for over a week now, I'm showing you the ingredients that I placed in it. Now you won't see the bell pepper, nor will you see the garlic, which I have used up the last of it, and I hope to go shopping for some more vegetables. So guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe, brown stew chicken. Thank you guys. So here's the chicken. It's been marinated for a week now. There you can see all the herbs, the spices, everything mixed up in it. So right now I'm going to start the preparation for my Sunday dinner, brown stew chicken. You guys, I've gone ahead and got the pot on the fire where I'm gonna add the oil and just leave it to heat up. Okay guys, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna separate the herbs and vegetables from the chicken and then add it to the fire. Now guys, because I'm doing a lot of pieces, I'm going to fry them, let them get to the texture and the color that you like, and then take them out and then put in some more. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add the broth to the pot and let it steam for a while. Okay guys, I'm back. Now the kettle has finished boil, so I'm going to add the warm water to the pot. I'm just gonna leave it for another 15 minutes and then I add the herbs and vegetables. So guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasoning to the pot. Yeah guys, I tend to cut my carrots very large, and then I'll add the Irish potato later, and then a bit of cornstarch or flour, which one you prefer, to get the thickening. Oh, could I forgot guys, my tomato, almost forgot. Don't you just love when you're cooking or when you're watching these cooking channels and you see the beautiful colors in the pot while cooking? I love it guys, I love it so much. So I'm gonna leave this now for another 15 to 20 minutes and join me back guys and see. I had also made some vegetable for this recipe that I'm preparing. There you go. So this Sunday dinner will be awesome guys. Also with my stewed chicken and vegetable, it's green pigeon peas, rice and peas. Okay guys, I'm back again. Look at that. You should smell the herbs guys. It's just hitting off my face. The thyme, the scallion, the onion. So right now guys, I'm going to add the Irish potato. I only had 2 leaves, so I'm gonna have to go shopping. So the next time you see this pot guys, it will be ready. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Now guys, for everyone who would do these kind of cooking, it's whatever recipe you make and make it your own. Now sometimes it's not perfect, but you know, you just try and try. I've been cooking for a long time and I just decided to share it with you guys, and I hope you really enjoy. Okay guys, there you go. Stewed chicken. Tastes so good. And I went, while I wasn't on camera, I had my ketchup, I had a little sugar for a sweet taste. So guys, I hope you enjoy. Join me at the table. So guys, the finishing product, stewed chicken. Having it with a little cranberry juice